How to repeat songs on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to easily repeat any song on Spotify. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is simply open up your Spotify and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you just want to open any song that you want to repeat. As you can see, I don't have any option. I can only go forward, pause, and play. I can only view lyrics, and here's information about the artist. So the feature where you are able to repeat songs or shuffle songs, that is only available on the premium version of Spotify. So head over to premium down below and join a premium plan. And once you've joined a premium plan, your screen should look something like this. So if you're playing any song, you will have this option on the bottom right corner. So that option will allow you to repeat the song continuously. And if you want to shuffle songs, you just tap on the bottom left corner on those two arrows and it will shuffle your songs. So this button right here allows you to repeat your songs. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.